In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images and icons from a Figma design template. Whether you're using Figma in the browser or the desktop app, the process is the same and only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, open your Figma design file. Make sure you're on the page and frame that contains the assets you want. If you have view-only access, you can still export in most shared files, but you'll need edit access to change anything else. Zoom in so you can clearly see the image or icon you plan to export. If you're working with icons, check that they're vectors. Vector icons export best as SVG, while photos and illustrations typically export as PNG or JPG. Next, select the images and icons you want to export. You can click directly on an item on the canvas or pick it from the Layers panel on the left. Hold Shift to select multiple items at once. If something is inside a component or group, double-click to drill into it, or use CMD/Ctrl+click to select through. You want to select the exact layer that represents the icon or image, not the whole frame unless you intend to export the entire frame. Now, click on Export. With your selection active, look to the right-hand sidebar under the Design tab and find the Export section near the bottom. If you don't see it, you probably don't have anything selected. Click the plus icon to add an export setting. This reveals the format, scale, and naming options for your export. Finally, choose your desired file format and click Export. For crisp interface icons, choose SVG for infinitely scalable, lightweight files. For images that need transparency, choose PNG. For smaller, non-transparent images like photos or thumbnails, choose JPG and adjust the quality if needed. You can set the scale to 1x, 2x, or 3x to generate higher resolution versions for different screens. Figma lets you add multiple export settings if you want, like an SVG and a 2x PNG at the same time. Confirm the file name suffix, choose the destination folder when prompted, and Figma will save the files to your computer. That's it. Opening the file, selecting the right layers, clicking Export, and then choosing the correct format is all you need. A quick tip before you go, give layers clear names and keep icons grouped on their own page or frame. It makes finding and exporting assets much faster in larger projects. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.